everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on Amazon, whether you are using your desktop site or your mobile. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open up your Amazon shopping app. Once you are inside your Amazon app, you'll see the price of the item. They are in dollar. It's because my currency is in USD dollars. So I'm going to show you how to change it. For that, you need to go and click on the person icon, which is your account icon. Then you'll see a flag icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on that icon. There you'll see country or region and the language. So I'm going to change my country into Egypt, and then after that I'm going to click on done. Once it's done, now all of your items prices will be converted into the Egyptian currency, as you can see in the video. And there you have it. That's how you change the currency on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.